Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some country farmhouse inspired home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Country farmhouse inspired home decoration is a warm, cozy interior style that blends rustic country charm with simple farmhouse practicality. It feels welcoming, lived-in, and timeless, perfect for creating a comfortable, family-friendly home. How defines country farmhouse style? It's natural and rustic materials. These styles embrace authenticity and nature. Solid wood, often reclaimed or distressed, stone, brick, or shiplap walls. Often materials like jute, rattan, and wicker. Linen, cotton, and burlap fabrics. Uses warm, neutral color palette. Soft, calm colors dominate. Whites, creams, and firm beige. Soft grays, muted greens, and dusty blues. Occasional earthy browns or charcoal accents. These tones make spaces feel light, airy, and peaceful. Uses comfortable, practical furniture. Furniture is meant to be used and loved, not just admired. Uses farmhouse dining tables, slip-covered sofas, wooden benches, and ladder-back chairs. Cabinets with slightly worn or antique finish. Nothing looks too perfect, and that is the beauty. Vintage and handmade touches. Country farmhouse decor values character. Use antique clocks, old chairs, enamel pictures, vintage frames, mirrors, and trays. Handmade or DIY items. Own finishes and imperfections. These pieces add soul and history to the home. As cozy textiles and layering. Soft furnishings make the space inviting. Checked stripes or floral patterns. Quilts, troves, and cushions with layered rugs like cotton, wool, or jute. Comfort is a top priority. Farmhouse details and accents. Iconic farmhouse elements include barn doors or sliding wooden doors, open shelves with ceramic censures, galvanized metal, and iron hardware, simple farmhouse style lighting like lanterns or pendants. Use nature-inspired decor. Bringing the outdoors is essential. Use fresh or dried flowers, green plants and herbs, wooden bowls, baskets, and pottery. Overall feel warm and welcoming. Simple but charming, nostalgic yet practical, perfect for family living. It is a style that never goes out of fashion because it is rooted in comfort, tradition, and natural beauty. The physiology behind country farmhouse style. Country farmhouse decor is not about luxury. It is about comfort, usefulness, and emotional warmth. Homes are traditionally designed for family life, work, and gatherings, so everything feels practical, honest, long-lasting, full of memories. Nothing should feel cold, flashy, or overly modern. Architecture and structural elements. Country farmhouse style often includes exposed wooden beams, real earthworks, white plank wooden floors, shiplap or baseboard walls, simple ceiling designs, not glossy or decorative. These elements create a strong farmhouse foundation. Furniture character and shape. Furniture tends to be chunky and solid, straightforward in design, slightly worn or distressed, often oversized for comfort. Examples: large wooden dining tables, rocking chairs or Windsor chairs, dressers used as sideboards, old trunks used as coffee tables. Furniture is often repurposed, which adds charm. Color physiology in country farmhouse homes. Colors are chosen to feel calm and familiar. white for cleanliness and light, warm wood tones for grounding and comfort. Soft greens and blues for nature and peace, muted pastels for gentle and homely feel. Bright or neon colors are rarely used. Next, Latin style. Latin is warm and soft. Lantern style pendants use iron or wooden candelabras. Simple wall sconces, warm yellow bulbs, never harsh white. Lighting should feel like sunset, not a showroom. Wall decor and styling. Walls are kept meaningful, not crowded. Use botanical or countryside art, painted sign or typography, family photos in wooden frames, decorative plates or clocks. Negative space is important. Don't overfill walls. Country farmhouse kitchen, very important. The kitchen is the heart of the farmhouse. Use open shelving with daily use items. Apron front farmhouse sinks. Use wooden countertops or butler blocks. Ceramic jars, bread boxes, enamelware. Use hanging copper or iron utensils. Everything looks useful but beautiful. Bedroom atmosphere. Farmhouse bedrooms feel soft and restful. Use wooden or iron bed frames. Layered bedding like cotton, linen, or quilts. Neutral walls with cozy textures. Use simple bedside tables with lamps. No heavy, calm, or shiny finishes. Decorative accessories that matter. Small details make a big difference. Open baskets for storage, old books or journals. Use candles and ceramic vases. Red flowers, wheat or lavender. Use clocks with Roman materials. Decor should feel collected over time. Indoor to outdoor connection. Country farmhouse homes blur indoor and outdoor living. Use large windows with light curtains. Plants near windows. Natural air and sunlight. Garden inspired accessories indoors. Emotional impact of this style. People love country farmhouse decor because it feels safe and comforting, reduces stress, encourages family bonding, creates a home feeling, not just a house. Country farmhouse, a lifestyle, not just a look. Country farmhouse decor reflects a slower, simpler way of life. It values family traditions, handmade objects, long-lasting materials, calm, uncluttered spaces. The home feels gently aged, never trendy. Materials, how to choose them correctly. Not all wood or metal works in farmhouse style. Right materials matter. Raw wood like oak, pine, or teak. Chalk painted or whitewashed finishes use burnished iron, black metal, and aged brass. Natural stone, clay, and ceramics. Avoid high gloss finishes. Plastic looking furniture, chrome or mirror heavy surfaces. Texture matters more than shine. Fabrics and textile language. Textiles create warmth and softness. Use linen curtains that move with air. Cotton slip covers easy to wash. Hand stitched quilts. Rain sack inspired stripes. Subtle florals like small faded patterns. Layering different textures is essential. Decorative styling collected over time. Farmhouse homes should never look newly furnished. Use mixed ceramics, not matching sets. Old jars as vases, wooden trays with candles, window screens and boxes. Books stacked casually. Every object should feel useful or sentimental. Windows and curtains. Windows are treated simply. Use light cotton or linen curtains. Use neutral colors like white, beige, and soft gray. Tie backs instead of heavy dots. Natural daylight is a key design element. Farmhouse setting and comfort. Setting encourages long conversations, deep sofas with cushions. Use wooden benches with soft pads, window seats, rocking and accent chairs. Comfort always comes before style. Patina and Imperfection, very important. Farmhouse beauty lies in scratches on wood, faded paint, uneven textures, visible grain and knots. These imperfections tell a story. Seasonal styling. Country homes change gently. Farmhouse decor adapts to its seasons. Spring use fresh flowers and light fabrics. For summer, use baskets and airy curtains. For autumn, use warm throws, dried leaves. For winter, candles and old textures. Small changes keep the home feeling alive. Country farmhouse has other styles. Farmhouse has cottage. Farmhouse is simpler and more rustic. Farmhouse has rustic. Farmhouse is softer and lighter. Farmhouse was modern. Farmhouse avoids sleek lines. Country farmhouse balances rugged and gentle. Ask yourself, would this item make someone feel welcome? If yes, it belongs. Common mistakes to avoid: overusing farmhouse sign, too much white without texture, making everything matte, ignoring comfort, turning it into a showroom. Authenticity is key. Ideal for family homes, small houses and villages, apartments needing warmth. Anyone who loves calm, nostalgic spaces. Core design principles: the why behind the look. Country farmhouse works because it balances three forces. First, function first. Every item has a purpose. Soft arcing. Nothing looks brand new. Emotional warmth. The home feels lived in. If all of this is missing, this style feels fake. Furniture placement's logic. Farmhouse homes prioritize conversation and flow. Sitting faces each other, not the TV. Dining table centered, not close to walls. Open pathways, no clutter blocking movement. Furniture slightly spaced, not crowded. Air between pages is intentional. Wood finishes and mixing room. You do not need matching wood. Mix light plus medium wood tones. Keep undertones warm. Limit to 2 or 3 wood finishes per room. Too much matching removes character. Lighting as mood setting tool. Lighting is layered. Ceiling lights use lanterns and pendants. Dusk lighting use table lamps. Ambient lighting use candles and sconces. Always choose for bulbs. Negative space often ignored. Farmhouse style uses quiet space, empty wall sections, clear tabletops, open shelves with breathing rooms. This keeps the home calm and timeless. A styling rule of 3. Decor looks natural when grouped in odd numbers, like 3 vases, 5 books plus on objects, tall or medium or small adjustments. This prevents over-decorating. Authentic accessories, designer approved, handmade pottery, braid boards and wooden trays, linen napkins, iron hooks, antique mirrors, oven storage baskets. Avoid plastic, fake rustic items. Greenery Strategy. Plants should look natural, not decorative. Use olive tree, ficus, herbs, terracotta or stone pots. Use our large plant in nature than many small ones. Dried botanicals are equally authentic. Bedroom styling formula: wooden or iron bed. Use neutral layered bedding on coils or throw. Use on simple artwork. 2. Mismatched lamps. Simplicity creates trustfulness. Long-term successes show a farmhouse home should improve with time. More memories, more patina, fewer trends. If it looks better after 5 years, you did it right. Why this style is perfect for families, calm, creative people, small homes needing warmth, anyone who dislikes cold, modern interiors. Historical roots and inspiration. Country farmhouse decor comes from traditional rules homes, where design grew naturally over time. Homes built with local materials, furniture passed down generations, rooms designed for work, plus family life, decoration based on availability, not trends. That is why authenticity matters so much. Physiology of country farmhouse spaces. This style works emotionally because it lowers visual noise, uses grounding colors, encourages solo living, feels protective and safe, triggers nostalgia and comfort. Designers often use it to reduce stress. Furniture age balance rule. A room should feel 20 to 70 years old on antique or vintage page, on well-owned item, on modern comfort page. That prevents the room from feeling fake or museum-like. Advanced accent strategy. Accent color must be nature-based, muted, repeated only 2 or 3 times. Examples: olive green in plants plus cushions, blue in pottery plus artwork, brown in oud plus leather. No bright pops. Lighting, temperature, and shadow. Farmhouse lighting values soft shadows. Use fabric lamp shades, forced glass, candle clusters. Shadows create coziness. Flat lighting kills it. Emotional authenticity test. Ask, does this item look like it belongs to a real family? If not, remove it. Sign if you have gone too far. Too many signs or codes. Everything white. All matching furniture. Over distressed finishes. No personal items. Farmhouse must feel personal. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.